Welcome to Breaking Crypto News. Cardano, 1-1205 projects, 783M native tokens, 61 8M transactions and major upgrade on its way, report. As we start the news about ADA, Cardano, please subscribe now to get the next ADA, Cardano, news. According to the Cardano weekly report, about 117 projects were launched on Cardano with 1205 projects building on the network. The weekly report also captured some updates on smart contracts as the Plutus team was said to be working on Plutus debugger development and script capacity increase. Cardano, ADA, has shared its weekly report highlighting some interesting achievements and groundbreaking developments. According to the report, about 117 projects were launched on Cardano with 1205 projects building on the network. It recorded 7.83 million native tokens and 70,039 token policies. Also, there were 5,857 Plutus scripts out of which 762 Plutus v2 scripts. Within the period, about 61.8 million transactions were facilitated on the network according to the report. Updates from the various teams. One of the major highlights of the week was the fixing of the peer-to-peer P2P code. The networking team also completed the Eclipse evasion design phase. It is important to note that this is a key development for the Ouroboros Genesis protocol functionality. Its implementation was also commenced. Lastly, the networking team launched an updated set of network packages for integration with the Cardano node master branch. The Ledger team also ensured that the multiple changes with the Cardano base and Ouroboros network repositories were integrated. This involved changes to the Ledger serialization libraries to support proper versioning, and Conway Ledger era support, which allows the Ledger state to transition to a new system of governance. They also worked on the technical debt and ensured that the documentation and testing infrastructure were improved. The consensus team, on the other hand, subjected the results from system-level benchmarks for UTXO HD to a serious analysis and observed a substantial performance regression. According to the analysis, Ledger snapshots were too high. For this reason, another benchmarking check based on a more realistic snapshotting policy was requested. Over the week, the team discussed Genesis development, including the current design. A test failure related to the iterators was fixed by the team. This resulted in documentation improvements, an updated framework for writing unit and regression tests, and the possibility of debugging quick-check counterexamples. Cardano update on smart contract, wallet and services, and Basho scaling. The weekly report also captured some updates on smart contracts as the Plutus team was said to be working on Plutus debugger development and script capacity increase. They also kept building an indexer for Marconi and addressed some technical debt. While this was being done, the Marlowe team also did some work. The Marlowe team, ran some fix and unit tests for timed-out validity interval computation, improved program names and command line options, and implemented an initial partial index of Marlowe contracts in Marlowe Explorer. They also added property-based and integration tests to the protocol, fixed some Marlowe sync issues, and added new query tests. With the Basho scaling, the Mithril team sought to complete the implementation of the seamless hard updates of their network. Their work in the week included the designing and the certification of the generic types of data in the Mithril certificate chain. In terms of wallets and services, the Daedalus team worked on the Ledger.js package. This was to ensure efficient support for hardware wallets. Also, work is in progress for the Lace desktop development. The local node UI features are being improved, and the team has finished the proof of concept for Wallet Auto Connect with an ADAPT connector. In addition, the Lace Lite wallet platform has been updated. The Adrestia team is working to extend the multi-signature feature with delegation functionality in the Cardano wallet. Also, the Cardano.js SDK is being prepared for production release. Thanks for watching. See you in the next ADA, Cardano, news. Please do not forget subscribe. Disclaimer: the information provided on this video does not constitute investment advice. Financial advice, trading advice, for informational purposes only. You should not treat any of the video's content as such. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.